Welcome back. So today I want to share with you my everyday clean makeup look. If you want to see how I do it, just keep on watching. Okay, starting with my bare face, I have dark circles, some wrinkles. Ever since I moved to New Zealand, I got wrinkles on my face. SPF, girls. Okay, starting from concealer, I am using the one from MAC. I'm in the shade NW20. So I've been using it for years. It is in my makeup bag forever. So just tap it under my eyes and, you know, the nose. My wrinkles. And then I use a makeup sponge. I look more alive now. Okay, so now I'm gonna use a lighter concealer to brighten up my eyes. So I'm using the one from Maybelline. I'm in the shade 10. So I'm just gonna put it right underneath my eyes, just to cover the dark circle and area that I like to highlight. So I'm using it as a highlighter. I found it comes more natural with the actual highlighter. So I'm just gonna blend everything in. I'm looking for my... Okay, so in my everyday makeup look, I usually don't do foundation. I just put on concealer and that's enough. I would do a foundation whenever I have some special occasion or I need to go on an event. So in my everyday makeup look, I would skip that. Then I'm using XL eyeshadow. I'm in the shade SR03. So I would take the color, this right here, just tap it on, and then I just put it on my eyelid. Then I'm using the second color right here. It's like rose pink. I used to use the blush to put it on, but sometimes I just feel like this is more convenient. And then I will use the brown color right here. Just tap it and put it on. And then I will take the darkest color here. Okay, this is not the finished look. I know I look hilarious, but just blend it out. So remember, just blend the edges. Like this. Using the color right here again to outline my eyeliner. Just blend everything. It's getting so hot in here. Okay, then I like to do the whole base first. So I am going to do my contour. I'm using the Fenty Beauty. I'm in the shade Amber. This is actually my second stage already. So I'm just gonna draw a 3. My earring. Okay. And my nose. And blend everything in. moving on to blush, I'm using the one from Nars and in the shade Orgasm. Popped it. I break everything right underneath my eyes. Just don't smile when you apply the blush, because when you smile and then you apply it, once you're not smiling, it will just pull your face down. So just right underneath your eyes. Right here. So now moving on to the brows, I would put a little powder on it first so that it will last longer. Again, I'm using the one from Nars. This is the whole new box. I haven't opened it yet. Hopefully, I'm not gonna break this again. Ooh, I love this. And it smells good. Yeah, I like the smell of everything. I'm the dog. So they had a little pad for you, but I'm just not gonna use it. I'm gonna use my brush. Look at it. It is so perfect. But I have to use it. Yes, I have to use it. I need to use it. I'm just gonna use blush to take some and put it on my eyebrows. And then I'm using the one from Kate's. I'm just gonna put some colors on it. So I use their blush and the darkest color. So now I will do the eyeliner. I'm using the one from Kiss Me. I've been using it from high school, so I'm loyal. I still got some wrinkles on my cheek. I'm not gonna cover it, I like it actually. So now the base is ready, I'll set everything in. I'm using the one from Makeup Forever, just spray. While I'm waiting for it to dry, I will do my eyelashes. So again, I will put some powder on my eyelashes first. And then curl your eyelashes, girls. So done my eyelashes. I will set everything with the setting powder from Nars again. So use a blush. The final step, lipstick. I'm using the one from MAC. And voila, we're done. Okay, so this is my everyday makeup look. I hope you guys like it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!